Okay, let's see if this one looks good when we're finished with it. I wonder how big we're going to make this. Keeping it at 100. Wonder what hue we're going to give it. We're going to warm it up a bit. Okay, what have we got here? Okay, it's a cutout of a real estate paper or publication, Chinese one. I thought I'd just cut out a nice picture and use it in this demo. So we're just going to put it on the glass like so. And we're going to make it look interesting. Okay, let's see how that went. Okay, out it comes. Whoa, that's kind of strange. That's really odd. Man, that looks good. I'm even wondering if we need to make a mirror image out of this. It looks too good. It looks really good on its own, funnily enough. That's a very strange looking take on a building. I wonder if we are going to go on and make a mirror image out of it, but that's worked out brilliantly. First go, that looks good. So I think we can still make it into a nice mirror image. It's just hard to know. I'm thinking maybe which corner will look good in a mirror image. It's not an easy thing to judge until you've actually laid it out. So now we're just going to just tweak the colours around a bit. So what are we going to do with this? Copy density is going to be made a little bit darker. I think the hue is going to the centre, and maybe the contrast can go to the centre, and we're just going to hit OK. So I'm wondering if this is going to be the centre of our piece or if it's going to be that side. Usually I pick the side without that, but often it doesn't work that way. So I'm going to just play it by ear and see what happens, as we often do with making a demo. It's not easy to know in advance what your moves are going to be to make a really good piece. And some demos, some originals are difficult than others to demo with and do a really good job of it. So let's see how this comes out. Right, that looks all right. It's not dark, but we didn't darken it too far, but we still got the lovely stroboscopic elements in it that make it look really nice. I'm still hung up as to which side's going to be the centre. I think we're going to make that the centre. So let's see if we can just print off the remaining pictures. Yeah, that squeak in the scanner is really annoying. So let's see how we go. Right, that's our second quadrant. So we're just going to assemble this as a 4-piece mirror image as we normally do. Okay, that looks good. And we're just going to now print off 2 mirror images to finish the job. So we're just going here. We're going here and we're going to hit on, OK, close, and then hit the start, hit the finish and hit the start again. But that scanner isn't sounding too healthy. Okay, let's see how this looks. Okay, these are our other pieces to make up the job. An interesting job. Looks like the buildings are bending down, but they're not just bending down, they're bending both ways. It's really funny. It's a real funny looking piece that I've made so far. So we're just lining up these little bits. It's a very architectural looking piece. Yes, it is architecture, I know, but but the actual image, I'm really quite happy with that. That looks really strange, very odd, but it looks really cool. I think we can now call that one quits.